special award is our Miss Body Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Body Beautiful goes to... Step forward. Candidate number 3. Next special award is our Darling of the Crowd. And our Darling of the Crowd goes to... Sino? Still, candidate number 3. Next special award is our Miss Close Up. Close Up Smile. Ladies and gentlemen, our Close Up Smile 2024 goes to... Step forward, candidate number 2. Next special award is our Miss Crimson. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Crimson 2024. Step forward, candidate number... Sino? Step forward, candidate number 5. Next special award is our Miss Catwalk. And our Miss Catwalk 2024 goes to... Step forward, candidate number 1. Talagang aura ang ating mga Asianites. Diba? Gusto ko talaga yung ganun niya. Talagang confident. Okay. So, ganun dapat. Next special award is our Miss Skin White. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Skin White 2024 goes to... Candidate number 2. Next special award is our Miss Congeniality. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Congeniality 2024 goes to... Step forward, Dagaya Antibas. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Pretty Face 2024 goes to... Sino? Still, candidate number 7, Althea Sarmiento. Once again, maraming salamat sa ating tabulators. Talagang ang bilis ng resulta. From special awards, ngayon naman, moving on to our minor awards. First, minor award is our Best in Casual Wear. Best in Casual Attire goes to... Congratulations, Miss Antibas. Next, the minor award is our best in two-piece. Ladies and gentlemen, best in two-piece attire goes to congratulations, still candidate number 7, Antibas. Thank you so much. Next, the minor award is our best in preliminary interview. Ladies and gentlemen, sino ang may pinakamagandang sagot kanina? Sino hindi ko naririnig isigaw? Best in preliminary interview goes to... Step forward, candidate number 1. Alright, so moving on to our last minor award is our best in evening gown attire. Sino sa kanilang may pinakamagandang gown? Is it candidate number 1? Candidate number 2? Candidate number 3? Candidate number 4? Candidate number 5? Or from Antibas? Ladies and gentlemen, our best in evening gown attire goes to... Isigaw! Sino? Candidate number from the municipality of... Ano? Ha? Walay Marilog. Ha? Walay Marilog, ha? Buot-buot kat kandidata. Municipality of... Talagang inakot ng Antibas ang minor awards. Alright, so congratulations. Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, from this beautiful candidates, later on, we are going to cut down to top 3. Sino kaya ang makakapasok sa ating top 3? Sino? Is it from Kaway-Kaway Municipality of President Rojas? Or gusto kita makilala? Or ang atuang sudan Tuna, ha? Tuna. General Santos City. Layo ang iyang kilakbay, gikan Jinsan, nagamit siya boat, no? Nagagi siya Pulangi River para na makaabot siya diri. Or from the municipality of Magpet. Kaway-kaway naman Magpet. Or, di ba? Inaantok si Magpet. Ikaw ba naman? Grabe na mga pagsunay sa kinabuhi, no? Grabe ang muang gimaklay or gisakay. Kapi namin matumba. Murag kaupat. Nangapiang na mga kandidata. Itaas ang kamay sa nangapiang. Ikida Dintoki, Dapawan City. Or lastly, from Dagaya, Antipas. O, diba? Talagang ang daming fans ni Antipas. Bakit kaya? Maraming daghang pariente. Okay. So once again, to this beautiful candidate, congratulations in advance. You did a great job in joining Battle of the Queens 2024. At talagang ang laki ng prize ngayong gabi. And of course, to the candidates na mananalo ngayong gabi, she will be signed a management or an exclusive contract by the SK officials. Then, dito na siya titira for 1 year. Magiging bahay na niya ang covered court, ha? Ang kanyang kwarto dyan sa likod, ito yung kanyang sala. Then, uuwi lang siya sa kanila pag fiesta na naman. So, di ba? Enjoy, no? Okay? Okay kayo, okay? Okay, okay. Alright, so once again, people of Barangay Lanao Coron, are you ready? Alright, so this exceptional set of top 3 is finally in my hand, signed by these exceptional personalities. The first candidate to join in our top 3 is